a carbon copy, type of rapper, can't even have the army stop me. Motherfucker, I'm like Gandhi and Gaddafi mixed. I'm probably off your offspring, bitch. I got a lot of shit to do like a long laundry list. Ain't it obvious I'm a body this? All you kids need to take notes, learn a lesson. I'm the harmonious. Some people tell me I need a psychologist, cause I hate my government and I don't follow shit. I'ma soar to the sky like Apollo did. After I kill everybody riding with me like alcoholic kids. I will murder you, have your family killed. Lyrically, goddamn it, it's ill. I kept you as real, the mattress is filled. Wet blood from your carcass, I'll have your abdomen spilled. Lyrically stabbing and real.
Weaponry, generate enough energy to meditate, levitate and crush enemies. Anyone who raps above ground that I used to listen to back then are whack as fuck now. I'ma take a hatchet to your dick, reattach it to your lips, laugh at it a bit while it's flapping in the wind. Feels like I'm stabbing up your ribs. Realize the type of planet that it is. The way I interact, take a wooden bat and continuously swing till I break it on your back. Fluid energy pipes will burst from the pressure. No human alive on earth couldn't measure. Beast with a giant stature, command with incredible flows. I am Poseidon's master. Step, I erupt in violent laughter. I'm revelation if you combine the chapters.
My rhyme's like a hand grenade when I'm writing it. I'm trifling with these words, I'm igniting it. I'm like a cyclone cycling, take away your right to live.